Good day everyone! So in today's video, we will do the cup feeding and burping of the newborn child. So the objective for this is to provide nutrition for the newborn child. So the materials needed are medicine cup and the milk formula with the confirmation name of the baby.
But before we proceed to the procedure steps, we have to perform hand hygiene first.
Now, let's proceed to the procedure steps. So the first step is assemble all the necessary equipment. And now, we will be proceeding to the assessment.
So first, assess the respiratory rate of the baby. Second, assess the previous amount of feeding tolerated by the newborn.
And to assess the sucking reflex of the baby, assess it while feeding. And at the end of this procedure, the newborn must be able to feed adequately and tolerate the feeding, and the baby must have a good and strong sucking reflex.
And to start the procedure, bring the prepared milk to the room and place it on the table. Then get the paper cup from the sterile pack to be used for feeding. So it should look like this. Then, check the name of the baby by reading the crib tag and ID band that is usually seen at the wrist and toe of the baby. Now, confirm the baby's written name on the plastic milk canister. Then, if confirmed, pour the milk from the plastic canister to the paper cup or medicine cup. And as I have checked the chart of the baby, the tolerated amount that the baby can be fed is 15 ml. And before feeding the baby, put the baby a dib in case the baby aspirates. Now, hold the baby with your non-dominant hand, support the back of the newborn's neck and place to semi-fowlers or in high fowlers position with the thumb and the middle finger supporting the jaw. Then, feed the baby by allowing him or her to sip from the paper cup and take note of the baby's tolerance to the milk. Provide the baby with a specified amount. Then burp baby in between feeding to prevent vomiting or regurgitation. And there you have to place the baby in semi-fowler's position supporting the nape with the non-dominant hand. And gently tap the lower back of the baby until the baby has burped. And just repeat the cycle of feeding by feeding the baby 5 ml each, as she can be fed by 15 ml only. And after feeding the baby, place the baby in side-lying position. Then do aftercare to the baby as you remove her dib. And after that, discard the paper cup and milk container.
So now, I will be discussing to all of you the documentation and evaluation of ACM Villia's findings. So to assess the respiratory rate of AC, she is in a normal rate because her rate is 60 beats per minute And as I assess the previous amount of feeding of milk, she can be fed by 15 ml and 5 ml in between. And for the assessment of the sucking reflex, she has a good and strong sucking reflex. So all in all, there is no abnormalities and need an immediate attention by the physician or pediatrician. Thank you for watching.
And after all the procedures performed, now hand hygiene.